A man was shot dead in Content Garden Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Wednesday morning. He has been identified as Benjamin Graham, otherwise called Pepe, of the area. Reports are that about 10:10 a.m. residents heard gunshots and summoned the police. Upon arrival of the lawmen, Graham was seen lying on the floor of a one-bedroom dwelling suffering from gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Residents of Content Garden have expressed concern following Graham's death. A 36-year-old security guard from Clarendon has been arrested and charged with the murder of another man, the Maypen Criminal Investigations Branch is reporting. Charge is Ciron Walford, otherwise called McKay, of Juno Crescent, Maypen. He is charged with the murder of 31-year-old Joseph McLean. Walford has also been charged with unauthorized possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. These charges stem from an incident in Juno Crescent in the parish on Thursday, December 7. According to the police, about 11:45 a.m., McLean was at a bar in the community when he was pounced upon by 3 men who opened gunfire at him. The men escaped in a motor vehicle. McLean was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A day after the murder of McLean, detectives gathered and verified evidence through interviews. They then apprehended Walford on Friday, December 8. On Tuesday, Walford was charged after a question and answer session. A statement from the police corporate communication unit said on Wednesday. His court date is being finalized. A gunman held up and robbed a justice of the peace of his licensed firearm and 40,000 cash along the Bull Point Main Road in Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Tuesday. The 74-year-old justice of the peace was robbed while relieving himself along the roadway, Observer Online understands. Information reaching our newsroom indicated that about 11 a.m., the JP, who is also a businessman, was in the process of relieving himself in bushes near the road when a man called out to him by his name. It is understood that the man asked him about signing some pictures for him and walked close to the JP. The man then pulled a firearm and demanded that the JP put up his hand. The gunman then pulled the JP's firearm with 17 rounds from his waistband, searched him and took 40,000 from his pocket. He then escaped in a vehicle waiting nearby. The police have since launched a manhunt for the gunman.